On June 5th, 2023, Apple has introduced their long-awaited mixed reality headset, which they called Spatial Reality at the Worldwide Developers Conference. But I think you don't know how much artificial intelligence is used to enhance its quality and uniqueness. In this video, I will show you all of the things you expected to know about how they are using artificial intelligence to make technological enhancement of this product. Previously, I have uploaded a well-explained video about the Vision Pro. You can find the link in the description below or card showing on top right corner. But in here, I will break down the brief introduction. So don't think this is just a review of the Vision Pro and watch the entire video. You will know everything about how they used AI in this amazing device. Vision Pro is Apple's new innovative experiment which integrates digital content with your physical environment. Thanks to this headset, you will be able to see the world ultra clearly, like you are in the same place. Also, you can use it to interact with apps, play games, watch movies, and more things by using hand, voice, and eyes. Apple called it as the Spatial Reality. It combines actual reality and visual reality experiences in a single headset, allowing you to shift between the two of them. And also, you can control your access level when using it in a 3D spatial environment, which you can customize and share with your friends. As an example, you can make a warm room with a chimney and a sofa around it, or a future city like you are in the 2100, with flying cars and full of robots. This is the first 3D camera introduced by the Apple. You can get the 3D images and 3D videos, then recreate precious moments like never before with amazing music. Your current photo and video collection looks amazing. The panorama surrounds you and it makes you feel like you're stand up in the same place that you captured the image or video. It is powered by a combination of Apple's M2 chip and a new innovative chip of R1. While the M2 chip performing general operations, the R1 chip performing spatial computing operations like tracing head movements, eye gaze, hand movements, and your voice commands. The R1 chip supports fast rendering, the technology which renders the video areas you're viewing at HD quality and reduces the quality of unwanted areas in the video, ultimately saving battery life and enhancing the smooth operations. The Vision Pro will be launched to the US market end of 2023 or start next year for $3,499 and will release to other countries from mid of next year. So basically, it's an amazing device that assures to change the way we interact with trending technology and each other. But the most interesting thing is how much artificial intelligence plays the role in Vision Pro, which I'm going to show you now. Guys, do you watch the Apple event which announced the Apple Vision Pro? You probably saw something very interesting. They simply mentioned about artificial intelligence. They explained about spatial computing and spatial reality, machine learning, neural engines, but they don't talk about term artificial intelligence. Actually, what is the reason? The main reason is just because Apple has a different attitude towards artificial intelligence than other technological companies like Google and Microsoft. Apple doesn't like the overuse of the term artificial intelligence because Apple believes that the term AI is too much used and misinterpreted by most of the people. They highly focus on Apple user experience than technical terms, just because Apple needed use AI smartly and invisibly. Apple has a unique history about its high-tech products and unmatchable features. As an example, Apple don't call their smart speaker as HomePod AI. They just called it HomePod instead of using name of AI. Apple don't call their face detection feature of iPhones as Face AI or any other name using term AI. They just called it as Face ID. Also, Apple don't call their new experiment as Vision AI or other name. They just called it as the Vision Pro. However, just because they didn't spend a lot of time name or describe about artificial intelligence does not mean that Apple does not use AI for their products. In point of fact, they are using artificial intelligence for all of its products like iPhone, iPod, or Vision Pro and their unique services without using name of AI. As an example, if you are using iPhone, you can check this thing in your phone, such as auto-complete texts when you are typing message, record your voicemails, detection of your handwriting, suggesting apps, and even detection of your finger marks. Actually, not only this, your Mac also using AI to organize your images, increase the battery life, and to secure your privacy details. And your Apple Watch is also using AI to identify falls. So all of above features which unique to Apple are using AI. However, Apple doesn't like to mention it. They let it run in your device without exactly saying it as AI. This is the hidden power of artificial intelligence which they use in their products, especially in the Apple Vision Pro. So, let's look how Apple is using artificial intelligence in Vision Pro invisibly and how they use it uniquely. Not like other technological companies that like to highlight about their ability and accomplishments of AI, but Apple need to keep them invisibly and doesn't need to overpromise and overdeliver. The CEO of Apple, Tim Cook, delivered his opinions on artificial intelligence and how Apple is dealing with it. He thinks that AI needs to improve human capabilities rather than substitute it. AI must use only for helping to people. Tim Cook's this statement highlights Apple's brand values, and it describes the real reason why Apple rarely mention AI in their product discussions. Apple don't expect to make unessential pressure about AI or confuse customers with complicated terms. Actually, Apple needs to give the benefits of AI to their customers, not talk about it. Apple's aim is getting the benefit from artificial intelligence and focused on machine learning to enhance the customer experience in their products and services. A group of artificial intelligence that offers systems to get learn from database and enhance without having explicit instructions. In fact, machine learning is the hidden source of most of Apple's unique features and inventions. It allows Apple to produce smart, flexible, customizable, and secure products. However, all of them are user-friendly, unique, and seamless. They have used machine learning in their products. This unique hardware features enables machine learning to run on products of Apple efficiently. Neural Engine makes machine learning faster and efficient. Face ID can speedily detect your faces, even when wearing spectacles or any face cover. It helps to feature Siri comprehend commands even among loud sounds and arrange images in the Photos app. Neural Engine is one of the parts of the R1 chip which located in Vision Pro. The chip can perform tasks such as tracing head movements, eye movements, hand movements, and your voice commands. It uses machine learning to achieve instant performance, such as zooming and recognizing eye movements and hand movements. Persona is one of the main features of the R1 chip in Vision Pro. It makes a customized avatar in the digital world by using machine learning technologies such as face recognition, classification, detection, modernization, animation, and integration. Persona shows how Apple uses machine learning to personalize experiences by not naming it as AI. It is promoted as an artistic way to express yourself digitally. Actually, Apple's vision on AI is different from other high-tech companies like Google and Microsoft. I mean that they are over-talking about their AI abilities and their attainments of AI. They are mainly focusing on pushing the art of AI and advancing the limitations of AI. They are involved in resolving complex AI issues and generating an AI system which can achieve any operation in any domain, which creates more ambitious and view about artificial intelligence targets and expectations. Apple's goal is developing their own hardware items and chips, which can give them a competitive advantage. Apple is prioritizing AI in their products over cloud-based AI, trusting it's faster, more efficient, more safety, also respecting their user preferences. Apple has invested in AI capabilities such as Neural Engine and its core machine learning framework, but they face the problem of scarcity of information and limited data sources to collaboration in their AI activities. Over the years, Apple has done more experiments and researches to develop unique AI techniques like generative AI, deep learning, neural networks, reinforcement learning, natural language processing, and much more. The CEO of the Apple, Tim Cook, said that he is using ChatGPT and he has found its uniqueness. Further, Cook said in the discussion on Good Morning America that ChatGPT is beneficial to the human. But interestingly, Apple banded to use ChatGPT to their employees. Also, Samsung has done the same. This decision was taken due to Apple is highly concerned the privacy, and it is one of their policies. When get questioned, are you using GPT?
Oh, of course I use it. Yeah, I'm excited about it. I think there's some unique applications for it, and you can bet that it's something that we're looking at closely.
According to the Tim Cook, artificial intelligence tools such as OpenAI Chat GPT and Google Bard gives many promises. However, they are also having high risks like favoritism, misinformation, and can sometimes have negative consequences. He emphasizes the need to maintain artificial intelligence and use protection. Cook accepted the power of AI and its fast changers. So when Apple discourages the using term of AI, it clearly plays an important role in Apple products, including the Vision Pro headset. Although Apple's promised to their users to give unique designs and unmatchable features. However, overbalancing personal ethics and not considering the opportunity of AI will be a great challenge for Apple in the future. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.